Hello friends, welcome to API-Wiz YouTube channel. Today we are taking a look at API-Wiz portfolio management feature on the platform. Specifically, we'll take a look at workflows. Workflows are a way to define what are the steps in your entire business logic. You'll have different services working within a portfolio, but the exact sequence and dependencies of that is hard to visualize. Here's where API-Wiz workflow management comes in. You can access workflows within any portfolio. You simply have to go from dashboard, open up any portfolio, and within that you can click on the workflows tab. Here your workflows are categorized into two areas, active and inactive. So let's take a look at sanctioned loan workflow. At the top you get a workflow ID which you can use in your code. This index section is a list view of all the nodes. So you can click on any of the list and it will move your focus towards that node in the area. You can also search for any specific step in this workflow. You can move around and take a look at what are the steps included. Once you get a loan request, the workflows goes on to locate a consumer branch, then checks the consumer credit, validates consumer collateral, and then checks the product code for which the loan is to be given, and like that the workflow goes on. This is really helpful when you have a bunch of services running and you want to visualize how they are dependent. You can click on this button to get a bird's eye view of everything. Once you click on this plus button, here you can give the step name, like for example close case, add the summary, the sequence number, which is basically where it would get added. By default it gets added at the end, and then you can move around with the help of this index. You can also select the service this step is associated with. So you can have a name that can be understood by anyone looking at the portfolio, and the service name is the actual relation to the technical APIs that it relates to. This way you can define a loan workflow like this. In this detail, you can also create a workflow by clicking on this plus icon, name the workflow summary and its status, which is either inactive or active. So that's it for this video. We'll take a look at other features of API portfolio management in the next video.